Welcome. In this quick tip video, we will show you how to install packing into one of Viking Pump's internal gear pumps with the U+ bracket. Before installing new hardware and packing, ensure the shaft is free of any debris or wear. Using snap ring pliers, install the internal retaining ring. Install the packing retainer washer. Make sure the washer is fully seated against the retaining ring. Install the packing. Lubricate each packing ring and install. Fully set each ring with a length of pipe. Make sure to alternate the packing ring joints from one side of the shaft to the other. When the packing is installed, install the T-bolts. Install the packing gland. Install the lock nuts. Tighten the nuts evenly until the packing gland is snug against the packing. Alternate tightening the nuts and ensure that the gland is evenly spaced to the left and right of the shaft. Do not over-tighten. To see the complete disassembly, packing installation, and final assembly, visit our website at vikingpump.com.